Flooding isn't uncommon in the Southwest because of the strong monsoons that come during the summer.
Global warming will bring more frequent and more intense storm activity in the future, which will cause stronger and more frequent floods.
There were floods in 1978, 1993, and 2005 in Duncan, Arizona that were caused by monsoons and levee failures.
The most recent one was in 2022, which was their first flood in over 15 years.
The flood was downstream because the water was coming from the Gila River from New Mexico into Duncan, Arizona.